For centuries, bird's nest soup has been a delicacy throughout the Chinese world. Foreigners may recoil at the thought of eating bird saliva, but demand is creating a lucrative business in Malaysia, one of the largest habitats of the swiftlet.
60 to 70% of our exports sell to China.
For now, China only imports the processed product, but this could change soon. And when it does, Malaysia wants to be ready. In 2013, two countries started to build a China-Malaysia industrial zone in Zhao. It would offer one-stop services for the industry, with customs, inspection, and a processing center. Malaysian companies can take advantage of this potential major gateway to the Chinese market.
We keep watching out for policy changing. Moving our factory to Zhao is one option.
But one-way trade isn't enough. A near-identical industrial zone is going up in Malaysia's Kuantan, with the name reversed.
In early days, industrial zones were aimed at introducing outside capital and companies into China. But now the outside still needs China's technology and capacity. So when we started the zone in China, Malaysian Prime Minister Najib asked, why not make a copy on the other side?
According to the plan of both governments, two industrial zones will divide industries and sectors based on each country's specialty. For example, the palm tree oil production and bird nest processing will be carried out in China, whereas steel production, ceramics, and pharmaceutical will focus in Malaysia.
Same tax incentives, same logistics support. It's no accident this industrial zone look alike. It's intentional.
In fact, we are pursuing unified standards in the two industrial zones to avoid all unnecessary procedures. For example, customs and inspection from both sides are verifying each other's procedures so that all imports and exports just need to be checked once.
There is another reason Kuantan was chosen. Malaysia hopes the project can help its less developed areas.
And we find that this is a very meaningful project. It's not just for profit, it is for the development for the entire corridor on the East Coast, which generally it's a much poorer cousin of the west side of the Malaysia.
Building twin industrial parks is a new concept in China's overseas strategy. Similar projects are in talks with Thailand and South Korea. And as any Chinese will tell you, having more bird nest soup is always the good thing, especially when it's faster and cheaper. Zhao, CCTV, Kuantan, Malaysia.